Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the big question, is crypto dead? Spoiler alert, it's not. Let's kick things off with a quick reality check. Yes, the crypto market has been volatile, but it's far from lifeless. Take Bitcoin, for instance. It hit an all-time high of $109,000 in January 2025. Thanks to Bitcoin ETF approvals last year, more people can invest easily. Now let's talk about the top cryptocurrencies. First up, Bitcoin, BTC. The king of crypto boasts a market cap of $1.7 trillion and is currently priced around $86,084. It's seen a 73% year-over-year return. Next, Ethereum, ETH, with smart contracts and dApps, has a market cap of $257 billion. Priced at about $2,130, it's had a tough year with a minus 22% return, but its potential remains strong. Solana SOL is making waves with fast transactions and low fees, valued at $142 with a market cap of $85 billion. It's up by 35% this year. Then we have Render Token, RNDR, and Superintelligence Alliance, ASI, both focusing on innovative tech like GPU rendering and AI research. These might be the dark horses in the crypto race. Let's not forget about other big players like Aave, AVE, XRP, and Binance Coin, BNB, each bringing unique functionalities to the table. Exchanges play a crucial role in your crypto journey. Kraken offers low fees and a $10 minimum deposit. Gemini is known for its high security and availability in all US states. For beginners, Coinbase is a great pick with its educational resources. And if you're into mobile trading, Crypto.com's app is top-notch. But remember, the crypto world isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Market volatility, scams, and evolving regulations are real risks. It's essential to diversify your portfolio and do your own research. The future of crypto is intertwined with DeFi, NFTs, and AI integration, promising a lot of innovation ahead. So, is crypto dead? Absolutely not. It's evolving, and as long as you stay informed and cautious, the potential for growth is immense. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto insights. See you next time.